Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. This is our day 6 of SQL LeetCode problem series. If you are new in this channel, make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and check all playlist in the description. Let's go and solve this question. The question name is 1378, replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Here we have two tables. The table 1 is employees and the table 2 is employee uni. In table 1, column name and its type, ID and its type is int and name its type is varchar. ID is a primary key and its column is a unique value. And each rows of table contain ID and name of the employee in a company. Okay. In the next table we have ID and unique ID. Both are int type. The combination of column with the unique value for this table. Each rows of this table contain ID and corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. So here we write a to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just the show null. Return the result table in an array order. So here we have an example. So here we have an employees table and the second one is employee unique table. So in this table we have ID and name 1, 7, 11, 90 and 3. And in second table employee unique table 3, 11 and 90. And what is our output? Output ID is unique ID and name. Here in unique ID, in employee unique ID, we have present 3, 11 and 90. So let's go and check. In 3, Jonathan and 11, Meir and 90, Winston. Okay. So in this table, the output table, we have unique ID is null. Why? Because in employee table, it's not present allies. It's mean not present 1 and 7. That's why we print here null. And here also mention this thing unique ID replace just null. So here we replace null unique ID. And the remaining table 1, 2 and 3 we present and we print here. So Alice and Bob do not have a unique ID. We will show null instead. The unique ID of Mir is 2. The unique ID of Winston is 3. The unique ID of Joston is 1. So we go and write the query for it. Let's go and here we write select what we want print. We want print unique ID and name. And where what is our table name from? The first table name is employee and here we write as E. And the second table is what is our second table is employees uni. So here we write left joint. Why left joint? Because we only attach in both table. It means combination. If it means we perform a joint operation. And why we joint left joint? Because we this side left joint unique ID here. That's why. So here we use left joint and the what is second table name is employee uni and here as E1 and now on E now E ID is equal to E1 ID. Now run this code and check it's correct or not. I think everything is correct. What is the employees? We have employees. We have employees ID. That's why here employees and now run the code. Yeah, exactly accepted. Now submit the code. I think all test cases passed. So check. Yes, 25 out of 25 test cases passed. So we will meet in the next video.